Welcome, business professionals. Today, we are diving deep into the topic that has been gaining traction among many businesses: Wyoming domestication. Before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about business topics that can save you time and money. First, let's address the elephant in the room. What is Wyoming domestication? Simply put, Wyoming domestication is the process of moving your company from its current jurisdiction to Wyoming without having to start an entirely new business entity. By doing so, you maintain your existing business history, credit, and continuity. Now, why would businesses want to make this move? For starters, Wyoming has been historically recognized for its business-friendly environment. Here are a few interesting statistics that might give you a clearer perspective. Wyoming does not levy any corporate income taxes. Almost 90% of businesses registered in Wyoming are from outside the state. Wyoming offers one of the strongest levels of corporate protection in the United States, making it difficult for personal creditors to attack business assets. This begs the question, why aren't all businesses domesticating to Wyoming? Well, the process requires careful planning and execution. Legal nuances, paperwork, and understanding of both the current jurisdiction and Wyoming laws play a significant role. This is where our organization steps in. Welcome to legalregistration.com. We have successfully assisted numerous businesses in their Wyoming domestication journey. Whether you're a startup, a seasoned company, or even an international business looking to gain a foothold in the U.S. market, we have the expertise and the resources to help. In fact, a study showed that businesses that engaged professionals for their domestication process reported smoother transitions and faced fewer legal hurdles compared to those who tried to navigate the process on their own. Considering the advantages Wyoming offers, from tax benefits to asset protection, domesticating your business to this state could be a strategic move for many business professionals. To complete the Wyoming domestication process quicker, please visit legalregistration.com. Or you are welcome to call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about the benefits of Wyoming domestication? Which advantage is your favorite? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your business.